Should you be worried about a fatty liver? Well, shockingly, 1 in 3 adults in the US actually already have some degree of fatty liver, and most people don't even know about it. So what actually is fatty liver? Well, the liver is one of the most vital yet neglected organs in human longevity. Now, modern lifestyles, excess calories, toxins, stress, and nutrient deficiencies have led to an epidemic of fatty liver. Now, the good news is that it's fully reversible with the right strategies. Now, fatty liver disease occurs when more than 5 to 10% of the liver's weight is actually made up of fat. Now, fat builds up inside hepatocytes, impairing bile flow and also detoxification. Now, what's really crazy is that it's often silent, there's no pain, there's no symptoms, until the liver's ability to process fat, hormones, and toxins declines. Now, over time, inflammation and fibrosis can actually develop, progressing towards cirrhosis. So here we can see the evolution of fatty liver. Now, by the way, you might be looking at this thinking, this is not me, I've got no issues, my liver's perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with it. Well, even if you've had a blood test and your blood test liver enzymes came back within the normal range, this actually doesn't fully mean that your liver is not fatty. So we can see here the healthy liver, it's less than 5% fat in hepatocytes. Steatosis is when there's more than 5% of fat in hepatocytes. Non-alcoholic steatosis, we can see with inflammation and fibrosis, then you get a compensated cirrhosis, dead cells, and severe fibrosis. And then finally, your liver ultimately fails. So the hidden causes that no one really talks about. Most people think that fatty liver is from too much fat, too much sugar, or alcohol, but these hidden factors quietly destroy liver function every single day. Number 1, environmental toxins, plastics, pesticides, PFAs, heavy metals. These overwhelm detox enzymes, causing the liver to store toxins in fat. Number 2, estrogen dominance. Poor estrogen clearance reduces bile flow, promoting fat buildup and inflammation. Number 3 is mitochondrial dysfunction. Low cellular energy equals poor fat oxidation. This is driven by stress, nutrient deficiencies, and lack of sleep. Number 4, we're looking at gut dysbiosis or leaky gut. Now, these endotoxins from the gut can actually inflame the liver via the portal vein. This can drive silent damage. Number 5 is circadian disruption. Late night eating and poor sleep impair liver regeneration and increase fat storage. Number 6 is choline deficiency. A lot of people don't realize the importance of choline. Now, without choline, the liver can't actually export fat, leading to fat accumulation inside liver cells. Number 7 is supplement and medication overload. The overuse of certain supplements or meds such as niacin, vitamin B3, statins, acetaminophen can all stress liver detoxification pathways. So here's why most detoxes fail. Most detoxes only target phase 1 detox. They only cleanse mobilized toxins from tissues but ignore phase 2 and bile flow, leaving toxins recirculating in the body. Number 2 is they don't support bile flow. Without bile movement, toxins and fat can't exit the liver, and the result is that there's toxin recycling instead of elimination. And number 3 is the overuse of harsh herbs. Aggressive herbal liver cleansers can deplete glutathione, taurine, and key antioxidants, increasing oxidative stress. So here's why I believe TUDCA is an essential component or an essential supplement to support a healthy liver. Now, TUDCA is one of the most powerful liver protective compounds ever studied, and it directly targets, not cures, the root cause of fatty liver, which is poor bile flow and cellular stress. Now, number 1, we know that TUDCA restores proper bile flow. TUDCA increases bile acid recirculation and helps the liver to flush out fat, cholesterol, hormones, and toxins that would otherwise reaccumulate and recirculate. Number 2 is it reduces liver stress or liver cell stress or endoplasmic reticulum stress. Fatty liver causes hepatocytes to become inflamed and dysfunctional. Now, TUDCA stabilizes endoplasmic reticulum, preventing cell death and even reducing liver enzymes ALT and AST. By the way, guys, if you did want to actually purchase TUDCA, you can get the one that I personally recommend and the one that I prescribe to my clients one-on-one. And you can use the code LUCAS20 to save 20% at checkout. It will be linked in the video description down below. Make sure you check and click the link below to find out more. Number 3 is that TUDCA helps to improve insulin sensitivity. So TUDCA helps to restore normal glucose metabolism, reducing the metabolic drivers of fat storage in the liver. It also protects and energizes the mitochondria. TUDCA actually helps to shield mitochondria from bile acid-induced damage, improving ATP production and fat oxidation. Now, it has clinically proven benefits. Human and animal studies show that TUDCA can help reverse hepatic steatosis, improve liver enzymes, and also enhance bile composition. So personally, I actually take TUDCA Prime every single day, 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule around lunchtime. And this is something that I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. It's something that I personally use to help with my own digestion. I've seen it improve my liver enzyme scores, and I just generally feel a lot better on TUDCA in general. Now, second to that, here are the lifestyle changes that actually work. Number 1, you need to prioritize protein and whole foods. So high protein, nutrient dense meals stabilize blood sugar, and they actually help to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. So things like eggs, grass-fed beef, fish, and cruciferous vegetables. We also need to think about meal timing. So use intermittent fasting, 12 to 16 hour window, to enhance fat oxidation and autophagy. Avoid eating late at night, as your liver actually regenerates during your deep sleep. Next up is we need to train for insulin sensitivity. Resistance training and short, intense cardio sessions improve glucose uptake and lipid metabolism in the liver. Next up is sleep deep and also consistent. Liver detoxification and regeneration peak between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when you need to protect this window. And then finally, we must manage stress physiology. Chronic cortisol actually elevates insulin resistance and fat storage. Use breathwork, sunlight, and grounding to regulate your nervous system. So this is a reminder that you can take control of your health, and something like fatty liver may be silently creeping up on you. You may not be aware of it, but you can take action to actually protect yourself. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please like the video. And comment below, let me know your thoughts. Have you actually ever used TUDCA? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to get your thoughts. That's it for me today, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.